Welcome to my solar addiction. Today's video, continuity testing Growatt 11.4kw Inverter.
Okay, so now we're going to do a continuity test before we power up the batteries and the inverter. So we've got our multimeter. This is a Klein Tools CL390. It's a very good multimeter. And we're going to go ahead and put it on the continuity or ohms test, which is right here. Okay. And what we're going to do is we're going to take one end of the leads, one red or one black, and we're going to touch the terminal here on the positive, and then again on the terminal on the positive here to make sure that we have continuity. We're also going to make sure we don't have any cross polarity. In other words, we're going to touch one of the probes to the positive and then to the negative, and if it beeps, that means we have crosstalk or cross polarity and we need to fix something. But if we don't, then we're good, and as long as the negative to negative contact beeps, we're good. We have continuity. Same thing with the positive. We've got it on our meter set to the ohms test or continuity. And we're going to touch inside this little square here on there, and the same thing on here. And we have continuity. And the same thing here. That's the negative. I'm going to touch my negative. And there we go. So now I'm going to do, to make sure we don't have any cross polarity, I'm going to touch the negative to the positive, and I should get nothing. And I got nothing. And then the positive on here on the battery to the negative on the inverter, and I got nothing. So we're good on that. And so we can see exactly what I'm doing here. See, the wires are already in the hole, so we're going into the little square underneath it, which will contact the terminal. And on the inverter, it's above it. And you see the little hole right above it. So we got to do the same thing over here with this battery, and we're good. Let's check to see if we got any cross polarity by touching the negative now. We got nothing. And there we go. And then we got the negative here, going to touch the positive. Okay, there we go. And that's good. So now what we want to check is the same thing, continuity. We're going to check this connection, these two connections that are connected over here on the inverter, and we're going to do the same thing. I'm touching the positive on this one and the positive over here. Okay. All right, so I'm going to go to the negative on the inverter and the negative here, and we're good. And now I'm going to keep my negative on the inverter and go to the positive, and we get nothing. And then I'm going to do the positive on the inverter and the negative, and we get nothing. So we're good on continuity between the inverter and the SYN, and between the batteries and the inverter.
Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed our video.